Hello, Avion from Eryri here. Mountain litter keeps coming back, volunteers say. Or is it the BBC who say that? Mountain litter coming back of its own accord on a wither? No, it is human litter that is dropping the mountain litter. I'm sorry to be so blunt, but the BBC have this way of manipulating language, as we know. What all these societies need to do is employ a mean motherfucker vigilante like myself, who will patrol up and down the paths, and if I see human litter dropping litter, I'll kick him up the arse.